Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.42 on Oracle Linux 9. Okay, so I am on Oracle Linux 9.5, but the process is same on all Oracle Linux 9 versions. First open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then scroll down. See here we have the MySQL community downloads. Then click on MySQL community server. Then select the version of the MySQL server. See here we have the MySQL server 8.0.42. If you are unable to find the version here, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select the operating system. Select Red Hat Linux or Red Hat Enterprise Linux or Oracle Linux. Then select the OS version. I am on Oracle Linux 9. If you are on 8, you can select 8. If you are on 7, select 7. Okay. So select 64-bit. Then see here, once we selected, it populated the list of the packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. Instead of downloading each package, just download this RPM bundle. So click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 899 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the MySQL server 8.0.42 tar file. We have to untar this one. tar-xf. Then give the MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire tar file name, hit enter. ls-ltrh. ls. See here we have the RPM package. We have to execute these packages to install the MySQL Server 8.0.42. Control A, sudo rpm -ivh no deps star.rpm. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we are installing MySQL Server 8.0.42. See, we have successfully installed. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status mysqld. MySQLD is the service name. Hit enter. See, we have installed MySQL Server, but it is not started. Q to quit, control it. Let us start. Sudo systemctl start mysqld. We have started. Verify the status. See, MySQL Server is started 3 seconds ago. Q to quit, control L. Now connect to MySQL Server. But to connect MySQL Server, we must have the password of the MySQL user. That is root account, which is the default user, comes with MySQL installation. So to get MySQL root user password, we have to go to more, var log MySQL log grep grep password. You must give with sudo. See, this is the temporary password. Okay, so first we have to run sudo mysql _secure installation. Hit enter. Then we have to provide the root account password. So provide this temporary password. Copy up to here. Copy, paste it, hit enter. Now we have to set the password for root account. Confirm the same. See, password doesn't satisfy the current policy requirement. I don't want to change again. Even remove S. All done. We have successfully set the password for root account. So control A. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password that we have set. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.42. Okay, we can also verify the version of the MySQL Server by running the command select version. See, we have installed MySQL Server 8.0.42. Control A. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL Server installation. Let us create database. Create database. Now verify again. See, we have created database. Let us switch to this database and create a table. Create table. Show tables. See, we have created table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user. First verify list of the users. Show users. This won't work. So we can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. So create new user, create user. We have successfully created. See, David user is created. Exit from the MySQL, which is connected with the root user, and connect with the new user. MySQL-u David-p. Provide the password of this David account. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. So provide it. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have logged in with the David user. Now try to switch to new database. See, access denied for user David to database bank, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL Server 8.0.42 on Oracle Linux. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Sorry, it is MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL Server is stopped. Okay, Q took it. Also try to connect to MySQL Server. See, we are unable to connect. Okay, start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. See, MySQL Server is started. Okay, and so we have successfully installed MySQL Server 8.0.42. So these files are not required anymore. Remove them to clear the space. rm start.rpm ls. See, here we have the one more file, that is star file. Remove it also. rm give MySQL, give the tab, hit enter, ls. See, we have cleared the space. Okay, until now we have connected MySQL Server by using MySQL client. We can also connect MySQL Server by using the most popular tools like MySQL Workbench or dbeaver. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Oracle Linux. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install, configure MySQL Server 8.0.42 on Oracle Linux 9. Okay, for more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.